So, hello students, welcome back to a video lecture series on the subject traffic engineering. I am Mohammad Yusuf Sheikh Amir, assistant professor. So, this is the video lecture number 10 on the chapter traffic studies. So, these are the points that we have discussed in the previous session, that is methods for conducting spot speed studies. So in this point, we have seen the various methods for conducting speed studies like manual method or automatic method. In the automatic method, we have seen the road detectors and radar based methods. So students, can anyone tell me about what are the different methods for conducting spot speed studies? And can anyone tell me pneumatic road tube method and loop method? Okay, so let us move towards. In this session, we will try to cover the points regarding about volume studies. So, students, in the previous session, we will learn about speed. Means you have to find out the speed of a vehicle. In this session, we will find out the volume of an vehicle. Volume is number of vehicles that are passing through that particular highway or road in a particular time. That is nothing but volume of a traffic. So volume studies have different data, and different data is required for conducting those one. First one is average annual daily traffic, AATT. So in this, the average of 24 hours counts collected every day of the year. Means 24 hours counts. Means you have to count the number of vehicles passing through a highway for 24 hours, and which is collected for every day of the years. Means in 365 days you have to collect the information or counts the number of vehicles passing through that highway. So the average of 365 days is nothing but average annual daily traffic. So the average of 24 hours counts collected every day of the year. After that, average daily traffic. So in that is also for 24 hours, means you have to count the vehicles for 24 hours, and that should be more than 1 year, that should be more than 1 day, but that should be less than a year. इसका मतलब क्या होगा कि आप लोगों को काउंट्स करना है, व्हीकल्स काउंट करना है, मगर उसका दिन जो है, उसके जो दिन है वो एक दिन से ज्यादा होना चाहिए, लेकिन 1 साल से कम होना चाहिए, तो उसको बोल सकते हैं आप लोग एवरेज डेली ट्रैफिक. दैट मीन्स द एवरेज ऑफ 24 hour counts collected over a number of days greater than 1 but less than a year. So peak hour volume means the hour of the day in which the number of vehicles are passing maximally. Means the maximum number of vehicles that pass a point on a highway during a period of 60 consecutive minutes. और दिन में एक ऐसा घंटा और आवर जिसमें मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ व्हीकल्स क्या हो रहा है, पास हो रहा है, उसको बोल सकते हैं आप लोग पीक आवर वॉल्यूम. व्हीकल क्लासिफिकेशन. So by using that study, you can also classify the vehicles with respect to type of vehicles for cars, 2 axle trucks or 3 axle trucks. As you see in the classification of vehicles type 2, type 2, type 2, 3, type 2S1, type 2S3, as you have already discussed in the previous sessions, so you can easily classify those vehicles by conducting volume studies. And You can also find out the vehicles which are traveling through a number of miles. Means as you are seeing that the large heavily loaded vehicles, two axle trucks, which are traveling, which are covering a distance the number of miles. So you can easily find out those vehicles by conducting the volume studies. So students, you can anyone define what do you mean by average annual traffic volume or average daily traffic vehicle classification? Okay, have you noted that one? Okay, please note it. So let us move towards what are the methods to conduct the volume counts. So what are those one? First of all is manual method. Manually you can easily conduct the you can easily count the volume of a vehicles as per their different classification. For that purpose you have to count the number of cars passing through that, number of truck, number of auto rickshaw, etc. Depending upon the nature of traffic, you have to separately count the volumes manually. You can do it and you can form spreadsheets, and on that you can easily write the number of vehicles. And there are another methods, automatic methods. So you can use the machines to calculate the volume counts automatically. So in this diagram as you are seeing, the Apollo traffic counter which has been installed, which are using for to classify the volume traffic, and to it is also used to calculate the volume of a traffic for a particular duration. And as you are seeing here, counters that may be required to laying of subsurface detectors. आप ये मशीन के जरिए से, दैट इज सबसरफेस डिटेक्टर के जरिए से भी आप लोग क्या कर सकते हो, व्हीकल्स, नंबर ऑफ व्हीकल्स इजीली काउंट कर सकते हो. मींस इट इज ए लुक्स लाइक अ काउंटर, यू कैन इजीली काउंट द number of vehicles. So traffic eye annual universal system, जैसा कि आप लोगों को ये डायग्राम नजर आ रही है जो इंस्टॉल किया गया है सिग्नल के पॉइंट के पास, तो इसके जरिए से भी आप लोग व्हीकल्स का एक तो इमेज आ जाएगा आपको, और आप लोग इजीली नंबर ऑफ व्हीकल्स और वॉल्यूम व्हीकल का इजीली काउंट कर सकते हो. जैसे कि आप लोगों को डायग्राम में नजर आ रहा है, यहाँ से कार पास हो रही है और उसका इमेज यहाँ पे डिस्प्ले होगा आप लोगों को, और आप लोग इजीली नंबर ऑफ व्हीकल्स काउंट कर सकते हो, different number of or different types of vehicles. So what are the types of counts? So depending upon the use of the data, anticipated use means generally that volume data, that speed data is used to design the highway or to find out the new routes of an highway, or to increase the performance of an highway. For that purpose it is needed. So anticipated point of view or feature point of view, you may collect that data, and for that purpose you require different number of counts. So the number of counts you are required depending upon your anticipated data, and that counts are required at intersection. इंटरसेक्शंस पे आप लोगों को काउंट करना ज़रूरी होगा, क्योंकि वहाँ पे जंक्शन होता है और वहाँ पे व्हीकल का मूवमेंट क्या होता है, ज़्यादा होता है, तो वहाँ पे आप लोगों को काउंट करने की ज़रूरत पड़ेगी. और आप लोगों को इट इज आल्सो नेसेसरी टू क्लासिफाई द व्हीकल्स, नंबर ऑफ व्हीकल्स यू टू सेपरेट आउट, एज यू नो द क्लासिफिकेशन एज पर इंडियन रोड कांग्रेस. थॉरो मूवमेंट, स्ट्रेट मूवमेंट कैसा हुआ और टर्निंग मूवमेंट कितना हुआ, एक तो व्हीकल का क्लासिफिकेशन करना है, दूसरा स्ट्रेट मूवमेंट व्हीकल्स कितने पास हुए, और मूवमेंट टर्निंग मूवमेंट टर्न कितने व्हीकल्स हो रहे हैं, ये भी आप लोगों को काउंट करने की जरूरत है, स्पेशली कहाँ पे, इंटरसेक्शंस के पर. और ये नंबर ऑफ काउंट्स आपके किसके ऊपर डिपेंड रहेंगे, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ डेटा यू नीडेड for that particular highway and for what purpose you need it. So it also depends upon pedestrian volume counts. Pedestrian का भी लगेगा, पैदल चलने वाले लोग कितने हैं, और periodic volume counts means average annual daily traffic count is also needed in this point. So what are the number of number of counts you may need it, कोई बोल सकता है? तो number of counts you may need it depending upon the whatever the data you needed for what purpose. If it is required for to improve the existing highway, or to for the construction of new highway, or for that purpose you require number of counts at intersections, at junctions. You know the different types of intersections, you may want to select them. So traffic volume data, and then how to represent that traffic volume data on a paper. So volume of traffic on each route is represented by the width of a band. आप लोग मैप के जरिए से ट्रैफिक वॉल्यूम डेटा बता सकते हो. तो इधर फिगर आप लोगों को नजर आ रहा है, जैसा फिगर में लगा नजर आ रहा है, दिस इज द ट्रैफिक बैंड. By using that you can easily represent the traffic volume data, which is helpful to increase the performance of those highways. For and this figure shows a typical traffic flow map. So you can also represent those data by distribution charts. So in this diagram, as you are seeing here, this is the bar which are start from January to December, and that will on the y-axis you are seeing is volume of percentage of average day. Means in the month of January you are seeing that the month of in the month the average volume of traffic is in between 60 to 70%, 60 to 70%. And likewise you can easily cover the month of year monthly traffic variation. And in this diagram you are seeing the daily traffic variation day of week, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. That will show a day of week means from Sunday to Saturday, what volume you have recorded, what number of counts you have recorded, you can easily represent by time-based distribution chart. And this is for this figure shows traffic volume on an urban highway, both A and B. So students, hope you understand this point, that is volume studies. Volume is nothing but to count the number of vehicles passing for the day or for peak hour, as you studied all those points in a very well, and hope you understand all those points in a very well. So these are the some expected questions at the end of this session. What are the methods for conducting volume studies, and represent how will you represent traffic volume data, and explain types of manual count, etc. So this is sufficient for today's lecture.